Hey everyone, welcome back to Techo AV. Today, we're checking out a budget-friendly yet powerful machine, the HP Laptop 15 FC026 for AU. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this might just be the everyday laptop you've been looking for. This HP laptop packs the AMD Ryzen 5 7520U processor, a quad-core CPU with 8 threads, clocking up to 4.3 GHz, paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM running at 5500 MHz. Performance is snappy for day-to-day tasks and light multitasking. For storage, it features a fast 512 GB PCIe NVMe SSD, which gives you fast boot times and ample space for apps, documents, and media. Graphics are powered by integrated AMD Radeon graphics. The display is a 15.6-inch Full HD panel with anti-glare coating. It's decent for office work, browsing, and streaming. However, with 250 nits brightness and 45% NTSC color gamut. You've got a full range of I/O, USB-C, USB-A, HDMI 1.4b, headphone MIC combo, and a full-sized soft grey keyboard with numpad. The audio comes from dual speakers, which are okay for personal use, and the 720p HD webcam with dual mics does the job for video calls. It also features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, giving you faster wireless performance and better stability. Battery life is solid, up to 10.5 hours, depending on usage. And with HP's fast charge tech, you get around 50% charge in just 45 minutes. Great for users on the move. Security-wise, you get a camera privacy shutter, a MIC mute key, and firmware TPM support, making this a decent option for basic security-conscious users. So, is the HP 15 FC026 for AU worth it? At its price point, it offers great value with a modern AMD processor, fast SSD, and a solid feature set for students or everyday users. If you're not into heavy gaming or editing, this could be the perfect productivity companion.